Welcome to KK Readings. Let's read together. The Spooky Cabin, Paw Patrol. Based on the teleplay Puffs and the Ghost Cabin by Scott Albert, illustrated by Jason Rutchter. Jake is fixing up an old cabin. Rocky and Rubble are helping him. It is lunchtime. Uh-oh! Rubble's food is gone. Jake's lunchbox floats into the cabin. Is it a ghost moving it? Ooh, that's scary. Jake calls Ryder for help. Ryder and Chase race to the cabin. Boom! The porch falls down. Rocky finds some posts to fix the porch. Don't lose it. Reuse it. The pups fix the porch. Everyone goes inside the cabin. It is dark and spooky. Bats fly through the air. Oh. Rubble falls into a secret door. Rubble is missing. Rocky thinks a ghost grabbed him. Ryder does not believe in ghosts. Outside, Chase's spy drone flies over the cabin. Chase sees that Rubble is still inside the cabin. Rubble is not alone. In the cabin, Ryder, Rocky, and Jake look for Rubble. Lights go on and off. Paintings move. Ooh, it's so creepy. Ryder pushes a button. It opens the secret door. Rubble is free. Rocky sees mice on the floor. Ryder solves the mystery. Yay! The cabin is not haunted. The mice make the lights go on and off. The mice make the paintings move. They also tickle Rubble's paws. The pups build a little cabin for the mice. Whenever you are in trouble, just squeak for help. The end. Thank you for reading with me. If you like my story, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.